So once you've opened up Canva, you are going to go to the top of the screen and then you're going to search up business presentation. So I'm going to use this presentation for example. Now, if you want to switch between different presentations, then you can go to the bottom there and you're going to see that there are different slides. So there's slide 1, then slide 2, slide 3, and then so on. So let's say that you want to edit the text of these slides. What you're going to do is you are going to select text and then you can make some changes. Or maybe you want to change the background image. So you're going to select the background image. Then you go to the bottom left corner, then select replace. Then you'll use one of your own images from your own gallery. And let's say that you want to delete a specific slide. You're going to select it by tapping on it at the bottom, and it's going to indicate that it has been selected with the purple border around it. Then if you want to delete it, you just go to the bottom and select delete. Then if you want to preview the presentation, you go to the top and select the preview icon, which shows the play button. If you want to switch between slides, then you can use the arrows at the bottom left corner pointing to the left and right. And there you go.